Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, I'm going to introduce Python. Basically, why we need to use Python. So this is an first question we'll be getting in our mind by starting Python. So the first point is, as we know that Python is one of the most popular language in present days, and also it has very simple syntax to read and to understand. Okay, the length of code is very small compared to C and Java, and is one of the best we can say advantage in Python. And coming to the one more thing, it has the complex problem can be solved very easily and in a very easy methods. So these are simple points, as we can mention that why Python, why we have to learn Python. Okay, so yeah, thank you.